Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we can use the versioning control for the GitHub. Why we require version control. So in version control, is it required? Why? Because suppose you have changed something and in the next day the code breaks. So how you can identify which change has an impact on the code. So that is required, that why version control is that is we use GitHub because it maintains all the versions. If suppose I do something on one day and I push the code and second day I push another code, if something fluctuates or something not working, then I can revert the code. So that is why we are using the version control. And same case, if you say to, like, if I have a team members like 2 3 peoples and working on the same project, and so what happens, if one push the code, second push the code, all working fine, okay, and when we merge the code, then there will be a conflicts, then how you can solve it. So that's the reason we use version control for the teams also, okay, so that your code is on the safe side. Each day and every day you can track how many changes you have done on the files. You can go and check the commits. So this is how version control helpful for in our project. So if you are what are the benefits of version control for working by yourself, gives you a time machine for going back to the earlier version. Suppose your code is not working, then you can revert the code and go back to your previous version, what exactly it is. And it was a great support for the different versions, and for working with others, greatly simplifies concurrent work, merging changes. So if someone remove any change and you have added that change, then when you try to push the code, it shows that there is a conflict. Then you can check the versioning, like previous change code is this, now the code changes, then you can maintain accordingly. So versioning control required in that way. So we are using the GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. So all these platforms are basically for the versioning control. So you can push the code over here and maintain the repository over here and do the changes accordingly. So we are using the GitHub, how we can use versioning control over there, so we can discuss in the next videos. So basically this video is for why you are using the GitHub or any other versioning control platforms for maintaining the repository, maintaining the codes, maintaining the versions of the code. So it's very important for, so that in the future if your code is not working, so you can revert the previous changes or look for the changes that you have done that time, okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will update on the next video how we can use the GitHub commands to create a branch, create a repository, push the code, check the versioning control, create branches. Everything we will discuss on the next video. Thank you so much for watching this.